Sushi Burritos, a bold fusion of Japanese and Mexican flavors. Ready to shake up your kitchen with an epic fusion recipe? Today, we're combining the artistry of Japanese sushi with the bold zest of Mexican flavors to create sushi burritos. They're packed with vibrant colors, explosive tastes, and everything you love about these two legendary cuisines. Let's start by gathering the essentials. You'll need sushi rice, seaweed, nori, fresh raw fish like tuna or salmon, creamy avocado, spicy mayo, and a little soy sauce. For our Mexican twist, black beans, pico de gallo, smoky chipotle sauce, and some tangy lime. Don't forget your burrito rolling energy. First, cook your sushi rice to sticky perfection and season it with rice vinegar. While it cools, chop your fillings, dice the avocado, prepare your pico de gallo, and slice your raw fish into thin strips. Have your black beans and sauces ready to layer on the bold flavor. Lay a sheet of nori on a bamboo sushi mat or foil for support. Spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice, leaving space on one side for sealing. Layer the magic: fresh fish, avocado, black beans, pico de gallo, spicy mayo, and a drizzle of chipotle sauce. Carefully roll everything into a burrito shape, ensuring the filling is snug but not bursting out. Use gentle, even pressure. Moisten the edge of the nori with water to seal the roll. Slice in half for the perfect handheld creation or devour it whole. It's your masterpiece, after all. Serve your sushi burrito with lime wedges and extra chipotle sauce or soy sauce for dipping. Each bite is a delightful mix of creamy, tangy, fresh, and smoky flavors. It's a culinary experience like no other, where sushi meets fiesta in the most unforgettable mashup. Now it's your turn to bring this fusion to life. Try this recipe, customize it with your favorite twists, and experiment fearlessly. Share your sushi burritos with friends, show off your skills online, and tag us. If you loved this fusion adventure, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting recipes.